Are professional athletes being overpaid? The answer is yes. I'm going to talk a little bit about professional athletes and why they're getting paid way too much for what they do. Athletes these days are more like celebrities. Companies are going to pay them to advertise for them and will do anything just for their face to be on their company logo. According to The Current from Nova Southeastern University, there are other people out there with much more important jobs that aren't getting paid nearly as much. Imagine getting paid $200,000 just to play one baseball game. You'd be getting just as much money as Alex Rodriguez does. The Spectator says that it's ridiculous how much they are getting paid when there are soldiers, firefighters, and even the president that are risking their lives for not even half of what they're making. Has this made you think a little bit more? Let's put this money towards people that need it and are working more for it.